Welcome to another video of Blender tips and tricks series. Do you want to know how Boolean modifier works, or you just want to learn something new in Blender? This is the video for you. In this video we will see how the Boolean modifier works. Hey, I have been releasing new videos on a weekly basis. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload a new one. This is Jay from CJ Academy. Let's start it. To understand how the Boolean modifier works, we need at least two objects. So for a Boolean to work, you need at least two elements here. So we'll use the default cube and let's add one more. Let's say we add a sphere and it should intersect. So that's the key requirement to work with the Boolean modifier. Okay, now we have the object. First, what is modifier? Modifier is nothing but a feature you will add on top of the 3D object. It is something called as a non-destructive modeling, because if you don't want this modification in the future, you can just disable it. It's like what on top of it, just a special effect. It is not hard code on the object. If we say we cut it using the edit mode, then it is hard coded. You cannot redo it, right? You cannot undo it. So that's the specialty about modifiers. You can disable it at any time you want. You can even choose it not to be shown in the rendering. So there are a lot of options for this. Okay, so we select, you have to select the object and then apply the modifier Boolean. Okay, now you can see it is operated based on the object. So you have to choose the other object. So we have chosen the cube here, so sphere will be the other object. You can already see there is some difference happened, so maybe I can show you again. Let's go to wireframe mode. Now this is a cube and a sphere. Okay, there is no new edges formed, but as soon as I select the object cube, object sphere, you can notice what is happening here. So it intersects. So the difference is captured. I can show it from solid mode. Okay, now you can see what happens if I say union. Union, nothing but it joins these two together, so it doesn't give much difference for you. Okay, for intersect, what it does is it gives the result object that after the intersection. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can make it apply, make it permanent, but ideally you don't want to do that unless you're sure for sure. Okay, let it be like this, because when I say non-destructive, it's because when you click on the remove modifier option, modifier is gone. Though both the sphere and this will be there, modifier will be gone. Now let's work the same thing on the sphere. Okay, so we have just added the modifier for the cube, so you have to be very careful here when you apply a modifier. It works only on the object basis. So if you apply it for a cube, it doesn't mean that you have it affected on the sphere also. Sphere is it stays independent. Okay, let's add the same modifier here and see how it works. Let's go to sphere, and there is a curve already in this, so for that purpose let's cancel that modifier and go to sphere and this modifier and choose the cube. See, you can see that there is a intersection, or the difference is already registered. If I hide the cube, you can see the result of the sphere. Okay, and if I say union, you know about it. If I say intersection, it's the same result again. Okay, this is useful in a lot of places, especially when you want a complex design, which you can achieve through creating few objects and make a Boolean modifier, and the result will be really good. So in those cases, you can use this modifier. It's really helpful in a lot of places. And as I mentioned before, if you don't want the modifier to work, you can say cancel and it will be cancelled. Okay, so that's about it. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot of interesting contents like this coming your way. If you have any comments, thoughts or questions, or something you want to share that I can improve the content quality, please do in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them and do as accordingly. I'll see you in another video. Take care.